Oh, it's time to eat again. Today we're gonna have Sausage-roni. Remember the old classic Beefaroni with rigatoni? My mom used to make that. Was that Chef Boyardee probably?
I don't know, but now we're gonna alter the recipe.
So we're gonna make it a little different. She said we had ground sausage, and I was thinking of Beefaroni for some reason. So you got ground sausage,
Yep,
Italian.
this is mild Italian sausage.
Delicious.
We have some large elbow macaroni,
Yum.
and we just have some smooth marinara sauce.
That's good.
Yeah.
You got the
and-
water boiling.
Right. We'll top it off with some cheese at the end.
Yeah, you can
How's that
roll it
sound?
on there. I like it. All right, so it's pretty easy if you're following along at home, or if you're gonna eat with us, because we're gonna taste this as soon as we're done. Shouldn't take long, right?
Right.
Take about 11 minutes to boil that pasta, maybe.
Well, we're gonna cook the sausage a little
Oh
bit
yeah,
first.
fry it up.
This is a nice
Nice. Oh.
flavored sausage.
Sizzle.
There we go.
Sausage log. Is that 1 pound or 2?
This is 1 pound.
Really? Should go eat it.
I trust it.
Okay.
And we're also gonna use a pound of macaroni.
All right. Ranzoni. No bologna. Unless you want some for dessert.
See how the macaroni is a little bit larger than normal.
Mmm.
And that's pretty nice when you're gonna mix it with a bunch of meat.
I like that idea. It's a good, easy Friday night supper or any time of the week. Let's get some sizzling going here. There we got some sizzling going on. That smells good. It smells peppery. Was it Italian sausage? I forget.
Yeah, mild Italian, but you can really smell the spices.
Yeah. It's good there's no casing too, right? You said that earlier.
Yeah, well, Rick always likes to take the casings off the sausages anyway.
Yeah.
So this is the way we don't have to take that step.
Nice. So we can make them like hamburgers.
Yeah.
Sausage sandwiches.
Right,
Sausage
and,
cheeseburgers.
The macaroni is coming along here.
Oh, the macaroni. I gotta find that song. It's the beefaroni.
Yeah, then you have to change the words a little bit.
That's from the 60s. My Sausage-roni. It's not phony. Time to eat. I'll sit at the table. You want paper plates or
Okay, I don't care.
bowls or what?
I don't care. You pick.
Well, that's another thing. We could make this all separate. You could put that on your plate and that, or put some sauce and skip the meat, or jazz it up however you like, right?
Right.
But we might mix it all together in a
We're gonna
big
mix
bowl.
it. And then we're gonna put cheese on top when we sit down after.
Yeah. I'll see you in the dining room. Oh, here's an update. Look at that.
Sausage is browning. Macaroni's getting fat.
Table's getting set. Bowls. Bowl of cheese. What else can we put on here? Parmesan cheese, grated cheese, oregano, whatever you like. Hot sauce, hot peppers, bacon. What do you think?
I like what we have set up here. We're gonna do that because the sausage has a lot of spices in it,
Yeah,
and the marinara sauce has some nice spices in it too.
I love it. Now the beefaroni that I have in my smell memory doesn't smell like this because it wasn't seasoned sausage. It was hamburger.
Yeah,
Well, I love it anyway.
almost ready here.
You gonna mix it together here or at the table?
Right here,
Okay,
after
then
I
I'll watch.
drain the macaroni.
And we'll watch right here. Oh, you open it by yourself.
Oh, I got it this
You don't
time.
need me.
I always need you.
You gonna drain that out?
Yeah, in a minute.
Easy way to make a pasta meal. Pasta.
Before I drain this, I'm gonna save some of the pasta water,
Ooh.
just in case we need a little more liquid
Oh.
in the sauce. It'll have the starchiness here to make it thicker. All right. we'll
Where'd
just
you
put
learn that? Girl
Oh, I
Scouts?
guess Girl Scouts, yeah.
Caveman school?
All right.
Put it together!
That's where I met you.
Yeah. Unga bunga! Come here! I just reached in and grabbed one of them. You want me to taste that?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if it's to the tooth.
You gonna throw it against the wall?
No, I want to see if it's to the tooth. Go ahead, put it by your tooth.
Then what?
Is it done?
It's the same color as my tooth.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's tooth.
Okay, now I'm going to need a little space.
We didn't need space.
A little space in this sink.
Space, the final frontier. There she comes. You're seeing it here. Live, recorded on tape.
Okay.
Not even on tape. Scrumptious.
Okay.
What's next? You gonna make it all?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. She's a chef. Go ahead, Cookie.
And then we're going to add...
Meat. Yeah. That way you keep a lot of the grease out, right?
Right. We can kind of strain it as we go.
But it's good grease.
We're not going to try to use all the grease. No. All right, now the sauce. Here we go. You can use the
You
whole
did it all
jar.
by yourself. Wow.
Could you just give me a little rinse of water in there?
Sure, a little squirt.
Thank you.
Third of a jar of water in there, swish it around.
Swish it around.
Get the good gravy up the edges. Oh, you know what? We could also bake this in the oven. Put cheese on top.
Right.
Breadcrumbs, cheese. Put that pan right in the oven. Come out brown on top.
I'm going to use this pasta water
All
too.
right, so you needed it.
I like to get the
There enough
sauce
meat?
going.
Is that enough meat?
Yes.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, doesn't it look good?
I'll be over at the table.
All right, meet you over there.
Come on. Just like we saw over there, but closer to me. Closer to my belly. Got room for me over there?
Come on over.
I'm
Let's see.
getting texts. I'm getting texts here. Hang on. Oh, look, gotta eat first. Most important, right? What do you got there?
I'm going to put some in your bowl, okay?
What do we call it?
We're having sausage-roni.
Somebody really wants to talk to me.
Yeah, let's put some cheese right on
Yeah,
there.
do that.
Well, that's the key that it's so nice and hot.
You?
Yep.
Oh.
Little cheese on there. Okay.
And that's that. You eating with us?
I'm not sure your head's in the
It
picture.
was so easy. Let's see.
Oh, that's better.
Get low on Friday night. You won't get low.
Well, I
man.
like your recipe idea.
Yeah. That's an roar.
Oh, now I'm going to have water.
See me? See me.
See,
Boy, there's some important text going on over there, huh?
I think everybody's answering the group text.
No, that's myself.
Better
Once I start answering this, it's going to be insane, you know?
just turn the sound off.
That might be important. I don't like group texts. Yeah.
Everybody.
How many? There's 5 people there. I hate group texts.
Okay, let's not go into that.
Let's not dwell on it, but...
Yeah, because
Ooh.
somebody wrote you a nice text. Okay, so
And then there's 7 people responding that I don't know who it is. Hey, how you doing? I think I want oregano in here. What do you think?
go ahead.
Oh, I should just eat it just like this, but...
It's got oregano in it, but
Oh, does it?
that's what we just discussed at the stove. But you add whatever you want to
Italian
add.
flavoring?
I'm
seasoning?
mixing my cheese in a little bit.
Okay, let me taste it just normal first.
Yeah, good idea.
Get this a little melty.
It's hot though. Be careful.
Yeah, we could put more cheese. Oh, it is hot. You. Look at me, Oh.
You're out of the frame.
That reminds me, we went out to breakfast this morning, and on the way there, I was thinking of having a Swiss cheese omelet with mushroom. The Swiss cheese reminded me because I like like that.
Oh, yeah.
But I ended up getting chicken fried steak We didn't take a picture of it. Did we take a picture of it last time we went? Maybe.
Maybe so.
I like that.
Yeah.
Why do they call it chicken fried steak? Oh yeah. It does have oregano in it. I'm not going to put nothing on it.
Wow. It's nice. It's a good supper.
Yeah, we're so glad you're here. Thanks for being here. Remember my nice old tomato plant outside that I had to transplant? My first tomato. Look how small it is though. I think it was in shock, or it was traumatic moving it from the real garden into a bucket.
Yeah.
Look what I got.
We didn't help it out any, but it is ripening.
And when I get my first tomato of the year, I like to put it on my grandmother's grave, because she had nice tomato plants.
And she loved tomatoes, and she'd like to tell us her recipes.
She's Italian. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I always put it's usually a nice good size, and I put it right there on the grave.
It's a tradition
And
now.
guess what? One time for over a month, 6 weeks, no animal bothered it. It didn't rot or anything.
I know, it was perfect that.
Yeah. Then when I went back again, it was gone. Maybe the animal took it, or... Imagine that. Anyway. My grandma liked them. She had a nice garden in her yard. She had a little yard, but a big tomato garden. But we're a little disappointed with the yield so far. Look at this delicious thing. Look at it. We could have bread and butter, but we don't have to. We were thinking of going to the drive-in tonight. We might have seen you there, but we didn't go.
We
We're
were
going to
just,
watch Twisters.
yeah. We were a little too hot, and maybe it was going to rain tonight.
Yeah, still
So-
might. Or maybe not.
I don't know, but we'll get to see Twister. Don't worry.
Yeah. And it's sponsored by Ram Trucks. That's cool, isn't it? I hope a big Ram clan goes there, you know?
Yeah, I bet they will.
Because there's a Ram commercial. And all kind of action shots and all different Rams and Twisters. It's called Twisters with an S now. You know about it.
I hope it's still there next week.
Yeah. This is so good.
I like the fat macaroni. They're much nicer.
And I like the sausage idea. You remember Beefaroni? Oh, it came in a can, right? Yeah, it came in a can already made.
Oh, I don't know. I never really ate that. So,
Yeah, I'm just remembering the commercial, but when my mom made it, she made it like this. With hamburger. She made me a hamburger helper too. I used to like that. We should have that. Did I ever make that here?
I think so. I'm not sure.
A little garlic powder won't hurt anything. So we went to breakfast this morning. Big breakfast. Chicken fried steak. Crunchy potatoes. Crunchy. Little square ones. Then you have a choice of 3 pancakes, a mammoth muffin, or toast. What would you take? 3. This is an or. 3 pancakes, big muffin, or 2 pieces of toast.
What do you think he took? Pancakes.
Yeah.
You're right.
Because I figured that's more like another meal. Toast is just toast, which I would have liked toast because I got eggs with it too. But the muffin, I guess you could replace that with pancakes.
But then you don't have anything to dip in your eggs.
Yeah, well, I didn't anyway. Because I didn't get toast. At least I have a toaster on the table. BYOB. Bring your own bread.
Yep.
Hi.
You want to know what I had? I had potato pancakes.
He likes them there. Perkins.
Yeah, I like them. And that came with 2 eggs.
No toast either, though, right? What did you have instead of toast? Oh, you got bacon. She got bacon and gave it to me. What a woman.
But I had the pancakes to dip with the eggs. Dippy eggs. I just used a little. Yeah. Oh,
This
it's
is
great.
so delicious. I'm sorry, I gotta.
What? Keep eating?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm talking while I'm eating. I'd get a spoon and scarf this up real quick.
I hope you guys try this recipe. It's so easy. And you got cheese in your beard. Hold on.
So I got 2 generic lottery tickets. One you can win $200,000. The other one you can win $20,000. It's fun, and sometimes you like seeing us win a lot of money, which we didn't do yet. If we did, I'd retire. Supposed to retire. 2 weeks. Don't tell nobody. Which one you want?
I'll take. I'll take this one.
Why? I'm just gonna use my fingernail. Wish us luck. Hi, Averly. Thank you. Nice bank. I've been seeing a lot of the Little Rascals on that Friendly TV app. Cool. I saw Spanky when he was so little. He was like, he must have been 2, you know? It was great. I never seen him that young.
Never saw him that young?
Not that I can remember. Okay, here we go.
Give us the results.
Wish her luck. Wish her luck.
Gotta press it again, I think.
You have drive-ins near you? We got 2 near us. They're both 22 miles away, different directions.
Sorry.
Here we go. This one spoke to me this morning.
Okay, then that's good.
I said, save your money, idiot.
The app is kind of slow today.
They know. They always know.
Sorry.
Thanks for eating with us. Try this recipe. We love it. Check Kathy's channel. Are you going to create some new videos tomorrow, maybe? Fun, fun, fun. So much fun. What do I got to do? I was going to do something with the ladder. What was I going to do? Oh, I got to straighten out one end of my spout. Remember I was up on my roof? Well, one end of the spout is off level. I got to be pitched that way, and I see a nail hanging out. Go up and do that, and when I'm up there, I'm going to put one of them antennas I have right on the peak of my roof. And that's my last chance for antennas. Right now I get like 30 channels, but not what I want. And anyway, I figure while the ladder's out, I might as well try that antenna. Huh?
Okay, be careful.
All right.
Be careful.
Yeah. I'll record it, whatever happens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check Kathy's channel. And try this. It's delicious. Amaze your family and friends and yourself. For eating alone, this is delicious.
And pretty easy.
Yeah, and you can make leftover. This is always better leftover for some reason. Whenever my grandma made spaghetti or something, next day, if there was any left over, it's always better.
Yeah, tomato
I
sauce
think it
seeps into the
permeates,
macaroni.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Yeah. But look at all the cheese. I'm going to put more cheese on. Take it easy. See ya. Bye. One more cheese?
No.
We got how much left? We got a lot left. Look at all that left. Yeah, and that box of noodles was less than $1, wasn't it? That macaroni? How much is a box of macaroni these days?
You never go
$8?
shopping.
I thought it'd be 67 cents. How much was it?
It's like $1.29.
It used to be like 4 for $1. I used to buy spaghetti.
I know.
All right.
Not
bye.
anymore.
See you again.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.